In this video, we are going to create local user in wireless LAN controller so that you can take the console from your network with the help of different users. Okay. So currently you can log in with the only the admin credential uh, to your wireless controller because no other users are created in that management plan. So let's access this wireless LAN controller. Let me tell you one thing that this topology is already created and live is already set up. So this video is for only to create users for management. Okay. If you want to know how we can set up the lab and configure this wireless LAN controller, then watch my previous video in this channel. You can get the link in the description or in the I button. Let's do it. So log in with your admin credential. As you can see, you can access the web page. Let me expand something little bit. Okay, and go to management, local management users, and you see there is no user. Okay, admin user you cannot see because it is the admin that cannot be deleted. Okay, create new one and type any username that you want to, like I want to give master in tech. Okay, master in tech, master tech, and apply. It's applied. Now try to again access the same IP, take the session. Once you hit enter, log in, and now try with new username and password that you have configured in your management. Master in tech, master in tech. Okay, that you can see you can successfully take the session. And let's try another user. You can create new one that kind of like techie techie password not matched techie. Okay, now you can try again to access the, this time I will try from a different device, like from this user device. Go to desktop and web browser and access try to access that IP WLC IP from here with HTTPS. You are getting the prompt. Just type the username and password, new username and password, take key, and you are getting the uh, session. Okay, so hope you have enjoyed this video. In this video, there's only about the user management. Most of the time we forget the password, so it is helpful for you if you create multiple users in your management plan so that you can access, and you can create multiple users uh, for different users, because maybe you have a team and you want to give a specific username to each person, then you can try from this way. Okay, so thank you again.